Now it's dead. Right. I still have the 12-volt battery voltage low. Let's go ahead and talk to the computer now. Reconnect the VCI. Alright. Now it's doing the auto van. Here we go. This is a 2022 EV6. And I believe the 12-volt battery is bad. Let's go ahead and check it using the KDS 2.0. We don't want that. Let's go to expert diagnosis and software management. Should I turn off my light so you guys can see it? Maybe. Hopefully you guys can see it with all this glare. Okay, so look for ICU right here. Integrated Central Control Unit. It's ICCU, but they shorten it out to ICU. Press that. Here's the battery diagnosis. Click that one. And it's gonna tell you all the concern and everything. Press run. Select OK. Alright. This process takes approximately 2 minutes, it says. Hopefully we have enough voltage to run this test. Alright, let's do this. I don't think it's gonna take 2 minutes. Alright, have you replaced the battery within the last 30 days? No. For accurate battery diagnostic, please check again if you have replaced the battery within the last 30 days. No. Alright, so the battery internal fault condition identified. Replace the battery. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and print this out. Without this, Kia will decline the claim for the battery, so I might gonna end up back flag and the dealership will end up paying for the battery. So this printout is really important. Okay, let's go ahead and print it. Boom. There you go. Okay guys, so we do have the battery right here, and this is a part number, and also I do have the printout that I'm gonna go ahead and include on my paperwork. And let's go ahead and install this battery. Whoa! Whoa! Slippery. Alright guys, so here is your 12-volt battery. I'm going to remove this cover. You don't have to, but I will, so I can show you guys the rest of your vehicle. All you have to do is unplug this guy. Alright, so here is your motor compartment. Now let's go ahead and replace the battery. Always disconnect the negative battery cable first. Oh, what's up, buddy? Awesome.
So
Huh?
lots of codes.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Here we go, man. At least we have some paperwork. If the repair is done and then there's still concerning about it, we got proof that before we touch it, it's already exists. Yeah. Always save your ass. Right. Remove the bracket. I'm using a 12mm socket. Then, when you install it, always install the positive first. Then the negative. Make sure it's tight. Cool. And don't forget about this. There you go. All right, start the vehicle. I don't have the key because I put it over there. All right, I got the key and all my paperwork, so Kia will pay this. All right. Okay, I do not have that 12-volt low battery warnings, and we're all set, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Bye.